It's time for a quick trick. I have a quarter, Daisy. I'm going to place it under one of the 3 cups. I'm going to turn my back, and I want you to mix up the cups.
Okay. All right.
Can you find which cup the quarter's under? Sure you can. I'll show you how after this.
Today's quick trick is brought to you by asparagus. Did you know asparagus is a highly prized vegetable? It arrives with spring each year. Asparagus is ready to eat when their spheres are 6 to 8 inches tall. Asparagus is part of the lily family. It has been considered a delicacy since ancient times. That's even before Mike was born. China and Peru are the world's biggest producers of asparagus.
Asparagus is an important source of vitamin K, folate, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Put them all together, and you have asparagus.
Enjoy some asparagus in your salads, omelets, or steamed. It's a real treat.
Now, here's the quick trick secret. For this trick, you're going to need 3 paper cups, a quarter, and a small thread. I've taken the thread and taped it to one of the cups. You can see how it hangs out. Okay. That's really the secret. Put the cups down, and you take the quarter, you place it under the cup with the thread. Now you know always where that cup is. Go ahead, Daisy, when you mix them up. See, no matter where she mixes them up, you can see the little thread, and you know that her quarter is under that cup. And that's the quick trick secret. For more quick tricks, be sure to visit our website. Try this one at home and have some fun.